Hello traders, it's Sunday, November the 27th, and this is our weekly market review. Investors will return from their long Thanksgiving holiday in the States on Monday, and full trading volumes will be seen in the broad markets again. Wall Street's three major indexes all extended their rallies last Friday, but trading volumes were quite low. Since the election for Donald Trump as president-elect, investors have taken the Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq to record highs. On Tuesday, preliminary gross domestic product figures will come from the States. And important jobs data will be published this week, including the non-farm employment change numbers on Friday. The US dollar has been strong. Market sentiment will be tested as traders are keen to see if the positive momentum can continue in equities. Asian indexes performed well last week. China will publish important manufacturing data on Thursday. The Shanghai Shenzhen Index made strong gains last week and has produced gains over 5% for the month of November. The Nikkei Index of Japan will also get attention as investors further test their risk appetite. Retail sales data will be published from Japan on early Monday morning. The yen finished last week continuing to remain near important resistance levels. European Central Bank President Mario Draghi will be speaking to the European Parliament on Monday about the ramifications and anticipated consequences of the Brexit. Traders will listen intently to Draghi's testimony. And investors should also be aware that Italy will be conducting its constitutional referendum next Sunday on December the 4th. The euro has been trading near the weakest parts of its value range and is likely to stay in focus. The pound was also under pressure, and the UK will release manufacturing data later this week. The FTSE and DAX indexes have remained relatively flat in the month of November as European investors remain cautious. Gold's value has tumbled significantly but was able to keep a tight range before going into the weekend. OPEC will have an oil producers summit this week in Vienna. Crude oil traded in a narrow range last week as it maintained short-term gains. The commodity will need to be watched closely in the coming days. ECB President Mario Draghi will testify on Monday beginning at 2 p.m. GMT about the implications of the Brexit. On Tuesday at 1:30 p.m., the U.S. will release preliminary gross domestic product data. The U.S. will see the ADP non-farm employment change numbers on Wednesday at 1:15 p.m. Then on Thursday, the UK at 9:30 a.m. will bring forth its manufacturing PMI reading. Friday, we'll see the always important official non-farm employment change statistics from the States at 1:30 p.m. GMT. Visit us every day for our daily reviews, trading tips, and tactics and analysis reports. We wish you all a great week of trading, and thanks for watching.